Instagram isn't just a place for selfies and vacation photos anymore. It's a global goldmine. Over 2 billion users scroll through the platform every month, and thousands are turning those scrolls into serious income. But here's the kicker. You don't need millions of followers to start making money. In this video, I'll show you 7 proven strategies people are using right now to make real money on Instagram, whether you're starting from scratch or already have a following. So, if you've ever wondered how to turn your Instagram account into a money-making machine, you're in the right place. Let's face it, most people scroll endlessly on Instagram without realizing they're sitting on an untapped financial opportunity. Maybe you've tried posting regularly, added hashtags, or even partnered with small brands, but the money just isn't flowing in. The truth is, making money on Instagram isn't about luck, it's about strategy. Think about it. Every day, someone with fewer followers than you is cashing in. So, what are they doing differently? By the end of this video, you'll not only know the answer, but you'll have a clear action plan to get started today. We're about to break down 7 strategies that successful Instagram earners use, from leveraging brand deals, creating digital products, and selling services, to using affiliate marketing and monetizing small followings. And don't worry, we'll dive deep into each one, with clear examples and actionable steps you can start today. 1. The Instagram money mindset. Making money on Instagram starts with treating your account like a business, not a hobby. Every post, story, and reel should have a purpose, whether it's to build your brand, attract clients, or sell a product. Think of your Instagram profile as your digital storefront. If someone lands on your page, they should immediately understand who you are, what you offer, and why they should follow or buy from you. Take small creators who consistently sell digital products like ebooks or online courses. They're not relying on viral fame, they're relying on value. The lesson here? Stop posting randomly and start posting strategically. Whether you're an influencer, a coach, or a small business owner, clarity in your messaging is key. If you haven't already, switch to a professional or business Instagram account today. This unlocks analytics, allows ad promotion, and gives you better insights into your audience's behavior. By doing this, you're already a step ahead of most casual users. 2. Choosing your money-making model. There are multiple ways to monetize on Instagram, but not all models will suit your strengths. The main income streams include sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, selling your own products/services, and Instagram subscriptions. For example, a fitness coach might focus on selling personalized workout plans through DMs, while a beauty influencer might thrive on brand sponsorships and affiliate links. The key is to pick one model to start with and master it before adding more revenue streams. Start by identifying your strengths. Are you good at teaching? Sell courses? Love product recommendations? Affiliate marketing might be your lane. Once you pick your model, focus all your efforts on making it profitable. 3. Building a brand that attracts money. Your brand isn't just your logo or color scheme. It's the experience people have when they see your content. Whether you have 500 followers or 50,000, brands care more about how engaged and loyal your audience is. Take micro-influencers as an example. They might have only 2,000 followers, but if those followers trust their recommendations, they can still land profitable deals. The secret? Consistency and authenticity. Make sure your bio is clear, your content aligns with your niche, and every post serves a purpose. Start treating your account like a digital resume, showing value up front. 4. Leveraging Instagram features for profit. Instagram isn't just about posts anymore. Stories, reels, and even DMs are money-making tools if used strategically. For example, stories are perfect for behind-the-scenes content and limited-time offers. Reels have unmatched organic reach and are a goldmine for discovery. And DMs? They're not just for chatting. They're for closing deals. Start integrating all these tools into your daily routine. Create engaging reels, share genuine stories, and don't shy away from using DMs to build personal connections with your audience. 5. Monetizing small followings. Don't fall into the trap of thinking you need 100,000 followers to start making money. In fact, smaller, highly engaged audiences are often more profitable than large, unengaged ones. For example, a niche creator with 1,000 engaged followers can easily sell out a $50 product if just 50 people buy it. The math adds up. Focus on building trust with your audience. reply to comments, engage in DMs, and create content that solves their problems. 6. Mistakes to avoid when monetizing Instagram. Over-promoting products, ignoring analytics, and posting inconsistently are the top reasons most people fail to make money on Instagram. Brands and audiences alike value consistency and transparency. If your feed feels like a never-ending sales pitch, people will tune out. Instead, balance promotional content with value-driven posts. Check your analytics regularly. Pay attention to what's working and double down on it. Avoid guessing. Instagram gives you the data, so use it. 7. Actionable steps to start earning today. Here's your quick start guide. First, optimize your profile. Next, pick one money-making model and create a content calendar. Finally, focus on building trust and consistency. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time? Today. Every successful Instagram earner started exactly where you are now, with zero earnings and zero clarity. But they took action, and that's what sets them apart. As the saying goes, asterisk, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Asterisk. If you found these strategies helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below sharing which strategy you're going to try first. Before you go, check out the description for exclusive links and resources I've left just for you. And since you made it this far, YouTube knows exactly what video you should watch next. It's right here on your screen. See you in the next one.